Today's video is going to be about the pumping system. It's also called bombarding. I'm going to tell you all the equipment needed for the pumping of a neon sign. This is my pumping station, and so I'm going to tell you exactly all the elements of the pumping. The most important one, of course, is a pump. This is the pump, vacuum pump. And then on the side of the vacuum pump is the diffusion pump. Then up here you have the manifold. This is the oil gauge. On this side you have the neon tank. This is the neon tank, and this side you have the argon tank. This is the sensor for the vacuum gauge. And over here you have your amp meter. Now down here, over here you have, this is the control. It's a rheostat control for the amperage. Down here you have the choke master. That's the choke master, and that over here is the transformer. Now I have here the wiring diagrams of this with the rheostat. You can see all the wiring. Now if you don't have a rheostat, then this is the wiring for the choke. So mainly those are the parts of the pumping. The vacuum pump, I bought this vacuum pump back 17 years ago, refurbished. Right now these pumps, I believe they're selling for $2,000. The manifold, I believe the manifold right now is around $2,500. Each tank of these costs about $130. I don't remember the price of this one, but it was around $800. This one was about $300. And the transformer and choke and all the electrical, right now I don't know the price, because that company that I used to buy, that I bought it from, I believe they don't make them anymore. So those are all basically the parts and the prices of the pumping station. The diffusion pump, the price of the diffusion pump, I don't really remember, but it should be around probably $1,800. And this is the spark to check for leaks. Basically, those are all the parts and more or less the prices of each element. Now, right now, all this equipment, including the pump, the bending part, and everything, I've seen it sell for around $5,000, $6,000. Up to $12,000. So that's it for the pumping part of the neon manufacturing.